Hi, fifth graders. This is Miss Lindaquist. Today we are going to be learning some more about the coordinate plane. Yesterday, Miss Carnero introduced the coordinate plane, and today I am going to be showing you some more. Today, our Walt is to identify the coordinates of the coordinates of points graphed in the coordinate plane and graph points in the coordinate plane given ordered pairs. So basically, if we have an ordered pair, we can find the point, and if we have a point, we know the ordered pair. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to get out my highlighter here, and we're going to think about which is the x coordinate and the y coordinate for each ordered pair shown below. So the x coordinate is this first one. It's the first one that we do. The x-axis is the lines that go this way, okay, from right to left. Sorry, my pen got a little funny there. So in this example, the 2 is an x coordinate and the 0 is an x coordinate. The y coordinate is on the axis that goes up and down. Oh boy. Oh my goodness, this is being funky. Let's grab this here. Get rid of that. Okay, so the y-axis goes up and down. So if I have my highlighter, sorry, this would be the y coordinate would be the 7, and the y coordinate here would be the 9. So in this case, to begin, we would go over 2 and up 7, and in this case, we would stay where we were and go up 9. That's how we would do it if we were in a coordinate plane. Okay, so points A, B, and C are graphed or plotted in the coordinate plane below. Use the graph to write the ordered pairs for each point. So what's nice is that usually right here, the x-axis is labeled as an x-axis and the y-axis is labeled as the y-axis. So you'll know where you're going. So the first one is going to be the first coordinate we look at is the x. So I'm put in parentheses, and A is we have not gone in any direction on the x-axis. So we would put 0. And then we've gone up 2. So we would put a 2 for that ordered pair. So B, I have this, my coordinate, my point is right there on the coordinate plane. And so to get to B, I have gone over 2. So I'm going to write 2 is my x. 2 is my x-axis. And then I've gone up 4 because my B is up 4 spaces. So that's 2 comma 4. And finally for C, I've gone over 4 spaces and I have gone up 1 space. So those are the ordered pairs. All right, and now they would like us to label the points. So now we're going to look at an ordered pair and decide where it goes. So our first ordered pair is D, and D needs to go at 1, 0, which means we're going to go over 1 and we're not going to go up at all. So D is going to be right there. And E, if you look at this ordered pair, has us going over 3 and up 2, which has us landing right there. That is E. So we can put the ordered pairs in a table. And so right here in this table is all of our all of our x coordinates. And here are all of our y coordinates. So for A, our x coordinate was 0 and our y coordinate was 2. For B, what do you think it is for B? For B, we went over 2 and we went up 4. And for C, we went over 4 and up 1. So those are all of our coordinates. So this, all right, and so if we go back here, so they want us to plot F. So we're going to find point F. We're going to go over 4 to here, and we're going to go up 3 to here. So this would be point F. So explain how you can tell from the table which 2 points are located on the same vertical grid in the coordinate plane. Now, vertical means up and down. Vertical means up and down. So how can we tell that they're in the same vertical plane, the same vertical line? So think to yourself, which axis, which group of lines is the vertical, X or Y? Right. The Y is vertical because you can see from my picture that my arrow is going up and down. So how do I know which ones are on the same vertical? I need to look for ones that are on the same y-axis. The same y-axis. Right, here is your work. What you're going to do is I'm going to read this little part to you, and then there are going to be some questions. So what you're going to do is first ask you to write the ordered pair for the origin and the point A shown in the graph. So the origin is right here. It's where X and Y meet right here. It's 0, 0. And point A is 3, 1, as you can see. Question 1. Point B is blank units to the right of the origin and blank units up from the origin. It seems a little complicated, but if you think of it, if the origin is right here at this spot in the middle, if this is my origin right here and I'm going over 1 to the right and up 1, 2, 3. So if I'm doing that, then my answer is 1 and 3. That means the ordered pair is 1, 3, because I always go over and then up. All right. Point C, you're going to do number 2 and 3 on your own. Point C is blank units to the right of the origin and blank units up from the origin. So now you're looking at point C right here. And then you're writing down the ordered pair. And for number 3, you're writing down the ordered pair for point D. Please take a picture of that and send it to your teacher. And we hope you're doing well. And we will I will talk to you over PowerPoint soon. Bye, guys.